Did you know that the average person drops their phone about 4 times a year, but a single replacement for an iPhone 15 Pro screen can cost you over $300? That is a massive price to pay for a split-second accident. Welcome back to the channel, where today we are diving deep into the absolute best screen protectors for your iPhone 15 Pro to make sure you never have to deal with that nightmare. Whether you're a total perfectionist who hates bubbles or someone who needs a military-grade shield for outdoor adventures, I've rounded up the top contenders that will keep your titanium flagship looking brand new. We're going to compare the heavy hitters like ZAGG and Spigen against high-value bundles from brands like Ailun and QHOHQ to see which one truly deserves a spot on your device. All the links are in the description below, so you can grab your favorite as we go. What's the biggest phone fail you've ever had? Let me know in the comments while we jump into the list. 8. TORRAS Diamond Shield. The TORRAS Diamond Shield for iPhone 15 Pro is a high-performance protective solution engineered to provide a zero-mistake installation and top-tier durability for Apple's 6.1-inch titanium flagship. Its primary purpose is to act as a nearly invisible second skin, utilizing aerospace-grade 9H+ tempered glass, reinforced by a triple ion exchange process that renders it significantly more shatterproof than standard glass. Key features include edge force technology to safeguard the perimeter from chipping, one-to-one full edge coverage with precision curved black borders, and an X-Silk oleophobic coating that reduces fingerprints by 95% while maintaining an ultra-smooth tactile feel. In real-life scenarios, the performance is marked by its exceptional clarity and a specialized anti-reflection coating that reduces glare by up to 60%, making the display much easier to view in direct sunlight. The build quality is premium, utilizing CSG glass typically found in military applications, which withstands over 300 pounds of pressure. Ease of use is a standout highlight, thanks to the InstaFit 6th generation kit, which features an auto dust removal pull tab that physically clears the screen as it applies, ensuring a 10-second bubble-free finish. When compared to the Spigen Glass Dot TORRAS fit, the TORRAS Diamond Shield provides a more comprehensive edge-to-edge fit and superior anti-reflective properties. Whereas Spigen is often favored as a slightly more budget-friendly 2-pack that leaves a wider gap for ultra-thick cases. While Spigen is a legendary market leader, TORRAS offers better value for those who prioritize a seamless look, where the protector's black borders perfectly align with the iPhone's bezels. 7. Ailun 3+3 Pack Protection Bundle. The Ailun 3+3 Pack Protection Bundle for iPhone 15 Pro is a high-utility security suite designed to provide 360-degree coverage for Apple's 6.1-inch titanium flagship. Its primary purpose is to act as a comprehensive sacrificial barrier for both the Super Retina XDR display and the protruding triple-camera island, ensuring that daily abrasions and accidental drops do not result in permanent damage. Key features include 9H hardness tempered glass with an ultra-thin 0.33mm profile, which maintains the original touch responsiveness and is fully compatible with the dynamic island's sensors. Performance in real-life scenarios is defined by its impressive 99.99% optical clarity and case-friendly design. The glass is precision-cut to avoid the phone's slightly curved edges, preventing the lifting or peeling often caused by tight-fitting protective cases. The build quality is further enhanced by a hydrophobic and oleophobic coating that successfully repels fingerprint oils and sweat, keeping the display pristine during heavy daily use. A unique design aspect is the inclusion of the seamless AR camera lens protectors, which use specialized augmented reality technology to maintain high light transmittance, ensuring that night mode photography and flash quality are not compromised by lens flare. Ease of use is a significant highlight thanks to the included installation alignment frame. 6. ZAGG InvisibleShield Glass Elite. The ZAGG InvisibleShield Glass Elite for iPhone 15 Pro is a premium screen protection system designed for users who seek the highest level of durability and optical clarity for their Apple flagship. Its primary purpose is to deliver advanced defense through aluminosilicate glass, which is strengthened with ion exchange technology to be 5 times stronger than traditional glass protectors. Key features include clear-print surface treatment, a revolutionary oil-dispersing coating that makes fingerprints virtually invisible, and reinforced edges that prevent chipping, a common precursor to full-screen cracks. In real-life scenarios, the performance is exceptional, offering a silky, smooth, tactile feel that mimics the original iPhone screen while providing Military-grade shatter protection. The build quality is further enhanced by an antimicrobial treatment that inhibits the growth of odor-causing bacteria, making it an ideal choice for the hygiene-conscious consumer. Ease of use is facilitated by the Easy Apply installation tray, which ensures a perfectly aligned, bubble-free fit even for inexperienced users. A unique design aspect is ZAGG's commitment to sustainability, utilizing up to 30% post-consumer recycled glass and 100% recyclable packaging. When compared to a mainstream competitor like the Spigen Glass.TORRAS fit, the ZAGG Glass Elite carries a significantly higher price tag. However, it justifies this through a more robust ion exchange strengthening process and an industry-leading limited lifetime warranty that offers free replacements for the life of the device. 5. Mkeke 3-Pack Screen Protector. The Mkeke for iPhone 15 Pro Screen Protector 3-Pack is a high-utility protective solution designed to safeguard the 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display from the inevitable hazards of daily use. Its primary purpose is to provide a sacrifice layer that absorbs the energy of impacts and prevents direct scratches to the ceramic shield, utilizing a precision-engineered 9H+ tempered glass build. Key features include military-grade drop protection, an advanced oleophobic coating that repels fingerprints, and a one-to-one edge-to-edge fit that remains compatible with nearly any protective case. Performance in real-life scenarios is defined by its high-definition clarity and exceptional touch sensitivity, which ensures that Face ID sensors and swiping gestures remain as responsive as a naked screen. The build quality is notable for its polished, rounded edges that prevent the sharp feel often found in budget glass, contributing to a seamless hand feel. Ease of use is a significant highlight thanks to the included alignment installation frame, which removes the guesswork and helps achieve a bubble-free application even for inexperienced users. A unique design aspect is the full coverage philosophy that shields the entire display area while maintaining a tiny 0.3mm gap at the perimeter to ensure cases don't cause the glass to lift. When compared to the Spigen Glass Tar Easy Fit, the Mkeke 3-Pack offers a superior value proposition by providing 3 protectors instead of 2 at a lower price point, while maintaining comparable optical clarity. Compared to the ZAGG Glass Elite, you lose the lifetime warranty and the fingerprint dispersing clear print technology, but you gain 2 extra protectors immediately for less than half the price. 4. TOCOL 2-Pack with auto installation. The TOCOL for iPhone 15 Pro Screen Protector is a high-utility protective solution engineered to provide a zero-gap security experience for Apple's 6.1-inch Pro flagship. Its primary purpose is to offer a user-friendly, military-grade barrier against the micro-scratches and heavy impacts that can compromise the device's high-end Super Retina XDR display. Key features include 9H hardness tempered glass, a one-to-one full coverage design with 3D curved black edges, and specialized blue light filtering technology for enhanced eye comfort during long browsing sessions. In real-life scenarios, the protector performs remarkably well, maintaining a 99.9% transparency rate that preserves the vibrancy of the OLED screen, while its robust oleophobic coating effectively resists fingerprints and oily smudges. The build quality is further distinguished by a reinforced edge design that specifically targets the most vulnerable shatter points of the iPhone's titanium frame. The most unique design aspect is the revolutionary auto installation tray, which features an integrated pull and press dust removal mechanism that ensures a perfect, bubble-free application in under 30 seconds. When compared to the Spigen Glass TR Easy Fit, the TOCOL kit provides a similarly high-quality alignment tool, but offers superior edge coverage thanks to its black perimeter borders that mimic the phone's original bezels. 3. SURITCH 2-Pack 9H+ Hardness. The SURITCH 2-Pack for iPhone 15 Pro Tempered Glass Screen Protector is a high-utility, protective solution designed to safeguard the 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display from the rigors of daily use. Its primary purpose is to provide a military-grade shield against high-impact drops and deep scratches, utilizing a specialized 9H+ tempered glass formula that is reinforced to be 4 times stronger than ordinary glass. Key features include an ultra-thin 0.33mm profile that ensures 100% touch sensitivity, full compatibility with the dynamic Ailun, and a high-definition clear finish that preserves the phone's original color vibrancy. In real-life scenarios, the protector performs remarkably well as a sacrifice layer, effectively absorbing the energy from accidental tumbles, while its premium oleophobic coating resists fingerprints and oily smudges. The build quality is further distinguished by polished 2.5D rounded edges, providing a smooth, snag-free transition that remains fully compatible with nearly all protective cases. Ease of use is a standout attribute of this kit, as it includes a dedicated, easy installation frame that ensures a perfectly centered, bubble-free application, even for tech novices. A unique design aspect is the seamless fit philosophy, which leaves a microscopic gap at the perimeter to prevent the lifting effect often seen when using rugged phone cases. When compared to the Spigen Glass TR Easy Fit, the SURITCH bundle offers a nearly identical installation experience and glass hardness, but is often positioned as a more budget-friendly alternative. 2. Ferilinso 3+3 Pack Protection Bundle. The Ferilinso 3+3 Pack Protection Bundle for iPhone 15 Pro is a high-utility security suite designed to provide 360-degree coverage for Apple's 6.1-inch titanium flagship. Its primary purpose is to act as a comprehensive sacrificial barrier for both the Super Retina XDR display and the protruding triple-camera island, ensuring that daily abrasions do not result in permanent damage. Key features include 9H+ hardness tempered glass that fuses nanoceramics for enhanced shatter resistance, and an advanced auto-dust installation frame that streamlines the application process. Performance in real-life scenarios is marked by its exceptional 99.99% HD clarity and an innovative 9th-generation oleophobic coating that reduces fingerprints and oil residue by up to 98%. The build quality is further distinguished by 2.5D rounded edges, providing a smooth, snag-free transition that remains fully compatible with 99% of protective phone cases. A unique design aspect is the night circle integration within the camera lens protectors, which utilizes AR anti-reflection technology to ensure that night mode photography and flash quality are not compromised by glare. When compared to the Spigen Glass TR Easy Fit, the Ferilinso bundle provides a superior value proposition by offering 3 screen protectors and 3 camera guards for a lower price than Spigen's standard 2-pack. Compared to the SURITCH 2-pack, Ferilinso gives you more value by including the camera protectors and an extra screen unit, plus that nano-ceramic reinforcement, which adds a bit more bite against drops. 1. QHOHQ 3+3 Pack Security Suite. The QHOHQ 3+3 Pack Protection Bundle for iPhone 15 Pro is an exhaustive, budget-friendly security suite designed to provide 360-degree coverage for Apple's 6.1-inch flagship. Its primary purpose is to act as a sacrificial barrier for both the expansive Super Retina XDR display and the protruding triple-camera island, ensuring that daily abrasions and accidental drops do not result in costly repairs. Key features include 9H hardness tempered glass with an ultra-thin 0.33mm profile, which maintains the original touch responsiveness and is fully compatible with the Dynamic Island's sensors. Performance in real-life scenarios is defined by its impressive 99% optical clarity and, quote, case-friendly design. The glass is precision-cut to cover only the flat area of the screen, preventing the lifting or peeling often caused by the slightly curved edges of the iPhone 15 Pro's frame. The build quality is further enhanced by a plasma-level oleophobic coating that successfully repels fingerprint oils and sweat, keeping the display pristine during heavy use. A unique design aspect is the inclusion of the seamless AR camera lens protectors, which use specialized augmented reality technology to maintain high light transmittance, ensuring that night mode photography and flash quality are not compromised by lens flare. And there you have it, the definitive list of the best screen protectors for your iPhone 15 Pro. Whether you're going for the elite anti-glare of the TORRAS Diamond Shield, the set it and forget it lifetime warranty of the ZAGG Glass Elite, or the incredible value of the QHOHQ 3+3 bundle, there is something here for every type of user. Personally, I think the value you get with these multi-packs is hard to beat, but that ZAGG warranty is a lifesaver if you're prone to cracks. All the links are in the description below, so go ahead and pick the one that fits your lifestyle best. If this video helped you decide, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and drop a comment letting me know which one you're picking up today. I love hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.